Welcome back, space explorers. You're watching Solar System Safari, exploring our cosmic neighborhood, an initiative of Physical Sciences Consultorium where we journey through the wonders of our solar system, one fascinating world at a time. So far, we've explored the mighty Sun, ventured to the scorching surface of Venus, marveled at the mysteries of Earth, and uncovered the secrets of the giant guardian, Jupiter. Today, we embark on a new adventure as we set our sights on Saturn, the planet that captures our imaginations with its breathtaking rings and diverse moons. Saturn, the second largest planet in our solar system, is a true giant. Composed mainly of hydrogen and helium, it has a mass 95 times greater than Earth and is located about 1.4 billion kilometers from the Sun. But what makes Saturn stand out isn't just its size, it's also one of the lightest planets in our solar system. In fact, if we could place Saturn in a gigantic pool of water, it would actually float due to its low density. Saturn's outer layers are a swirling mix of ammonia clouds and hydrogen, giving the planet its yellowish hue. Deep inside, intense pressure creates layers of metallic hydrogen, similar to Jupiter. This planet truly embodies the grandeur and mystery of the gas giants. But the most iconic feature of Saturn is, of course, its magnificent rings. These rings stretch across 273,000 kilometers, making them the most extensive ring system in the solar system. The rings are composed of countless icy particles, some as small as dust grains, others as large as mountains. Scientists believe these particles could be the remnants of moons, asteroids, or comets that were shattered by Saturn's immense gravity. There are 7 main rings, labeled A to G, with large gaps like the famous Cassini division. Despite their grand size, the rings are incredibly thin, just about 10 meters thick in most places. Interestingly, these majestic rings won't last forever. Over time, Saturn's gravity pulls the icy particles inward, meaning the rings may eventually disappear, though not for millions of years. Orbiting this giant are its fascinating moons. Saturn boasts 145 known moons, each with its own unique story. Let's explore the most famous among them. Titan, Saturn's largest moon, is particularly special. It has a thick atmosphere, so thick, in fact, that we can't see its surface without special instruments. Titan's methane lakes and rivers make it one of the most Earth-like worlds in the solar system. And soon, NASA's Dragonfly mission will journey to Titan's surface, arriving in the 2030s to explore its chemistry and potential habitability. Then there's Enceladus, a small icy moon hiding big secrets. Beneath its icy surface lies a global ocean, and powerful geysers shoot water vapor into space, suggesting there may be conditions favorable for life. Other moons like Mimas and Iapetus are no less intriguing. Mimas, with its giant crater, has earned the nickname, the Death Star Moon, and Iapetus' two-tone color makes it a mysterious figure in Saturn's moon family. Saturn has been the subject of many space missions, but none more famous than the Cassini-Huygens mission. From 1997 to 2017, Cassini orbited Saturn, giving us detailed images of its rings, discovering water plumes on Enceladus, and even sending a probe to Titan's surface. Looking ahead, NASA's Dragonfly mission to Titan will provide groundbreaking data on this fascinating moon. And let's not forget JUICE, the European Space Agency's mission to study Jupiter's moons, which could offer indirect insights into Saturn's system as well. Named after the Roman god of agriculture, Saturn has always held a place in human imagination. Ancient cultures observed its slow, majestic journey across the sky, associating it with time and harvest. In modern times, Saturn continues to inspire scientists and enthusiasts alike, offering a window into the wonders of the outer solar system. From its breathtaking rings to its mysterious moons, Saturn truly stands as a cosmic beauty and guardian of our solar system. We hope you've enjoyed this deep dive into the wonders of Saturn. In our next episode, we'll explore the ice giant Uranus, a planet with a unique spin and fascinating mysteries of its own. Don't miss it. Remember, this series is an initiative of Physical Sciences Consultorium, and for those of you who want more, check out our previous dedicated lecture series on the solar system. Like, subscribe, and share, and join us next time as we continue our safari through the cosmos.